So here we are, base camp, not really base camp, base hotel. Tomorrow we start climbing Kilimanjaro, up at 6 AM, and we start climbing at 8:30 in the morning. So yeah, just spent the night packing my shit and getting everything together. Today we were up at 6 AM. It's about an hour drive from the hotel to Mashami Gate. Started the climb at 1,800 meters, and it was in the rainforest. Didn't really get to see many animals. A couple monkeys at the beginning, that was pretty cool. A lot of really nice flowers that looked like elephants. That was insane. Just exactly like elephants. So today we had to walk really, really slowly because it was the biggest push. So we walked from 1,800 meters to 2,835 meters. It took us about 5 hours? Yeah, about 5 hours. All the while, all the guides saying pole pole, which means slowly, slowly, because if we go too fast, obviously we're just going to get altitude sickness. 2 hours? So after we arrived at camp at about 4:30, just chilled out, played some cards, listened to some football on the radio in Swahili. Mexico won 1-0 against Germany. And then Jeff the chef made us some of the best food I've ever had on a camping trip. That's about it from today. Can't really think of anything else to add. No. Sweet. Hey! Hello! All good? Cave now, Camp 2. Looking pretty sick. Gonna chill out, get some food in me, or rest. So on the mountain, day 2, we left Mashami Gate this morning at 9 AM, climbing from 2,835 metres to 3,750 metres, where we are now at Shira Cave Camp. Really steep, foresty kind of stuff for the first couple hours, but then as soon as we broke through the clouds, it kind of turned more rocky and a bit more bouldery. A bit more traversing was needed to do to speed done. After we broke through the clouds, we could finally see the summit of Gili. And it was really nice to see like where we were going and what we had to do. A bit scary, but like it's gonna be worth it. Walked for 5 hours today, and then we got here, had lunch really quick, and then I went to go check out some boulders behind camp. Been at Shira camp for like an hour now. Noticed these boulders up this hill. So I'm gonna come try and climb a few. See how it goes. Bouldering 3,700 feet. Maybe it wasn't the best idea. Twisted my ankle because I'm really clever. Had a nap, felt a lot better after that. And then we just basically spent the evening playing cards and chilling out. Starting to feel the altitude today. Breathing's getting a little bit harder, but nothing too major. Leighton's really feeling it. He might have to take some altitude sickness tablets tomorrow if he's still feeling it as bad as today. Everyone else is feeling pretty good though. Yeah, that'll do.